we are going to see about types of join in database. Oracle proprietary joins are equi-join, non-equi-join, outer join, self-join. And SQL compliant joins are cross-join, natural join, join using and on class, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. We are going to discuss about how to create query for these types of join. We have already created a table called employee named as EMPL containing last name, EMPID, department ID, salary, manager ID. We have added relevant records for this table. And we have also created another table called department named as depart containing columns such as depart ID, depart name, grade, low sal, high sal, location ID. First type of join is equi-join. A query for equi-join is the relationship between employee table and the department table is equi-join. The relation is recognized by department ID in both tables. It is also called a simple join or inner join. Next type of join is non-equi-join. Query for non-equi-join is It is a join condition containing something other than equality operator. The relationship between two tables in the salary column in employee table must be between the values in the low sal and high sal in the department table. The next type of join is outer join. Query for outer join is the plus is placed on the sides of the join. that is deficient in information. Next type of join is self-join. Query for self-join is it will join the table to itself. The last name in the employee table itself make a join with the last name in the employee table. Next type of join is outer join. Next type of join is cross join. Query for cross join is it is the product that cross product is the product of two tables. It produces the cross product of two tables. The records in the last name will make a cross product with the records in the department table. Next type of join is join using classes. Query for using classes. This join is made using the DEPT ID column in both the tables. Next type of join is join using onClass. Query for onClass join is here join relation is made on the condition quoted in the query using the department ID, in employee table and the department ID in the department table were equal. Next type of join is left outer join. Query for left outer join is left outer join will retrieve all the rows in the employee table which is in the left table even if there is no match in the department table. The next type of query is right outer join query. This is same as the left outer join query. Here in the right outer join, if we change the left outer join query by right like this, it will retrieve information that are present on the right side of the department table like this. The next type of join is full outer join. In the same query itself, if we are changing the right as a full outer join, this query retrieves all the rows in the employee table even if there is no match in department table. It also retrieves all the rows in the department table even if there is no match in the employee table. This type of join is full outer join. Thank you.